Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English Through Videos. Today, we have an exciting story for you called The Price of Dreams. It's not just a story to practice your English listening skills, but also to inspire you to chase your goals with hard work and courage. This tale follows a young girl's journey to achieve her big dreams despite many challenges. You'll hear simple English, learn new words, and feel motivated to keep going in life and language learning. To make the most of this video, listen carefully, repeat the words you hear, and let the story sink in. If you love this, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos like this. Share your own dreams in the comments below. Now, let's dive into the price of dreams. Let's meet Anna, a 19-year-old girl living in a small town by a quiet river. Her family wasn't rich. Her mother stitched clothes for neighbors, and her father worked long hours as a farmer, but money was always tight. Anna's little brother Tom, only 9, looked up to her like a hero. Anna dreamed big. She wanted to open her own fashion shop, designing beautiful clothes to make her family's life better. But every night, as she gazed at the stars, doubt crept in. How could she start with no money, no experience, nothing but a dream? One evening, her father saw her worry and said, "Anna, dreams aren't free. They cost sweat, time, and heart." Those words stuck with her. Anna knew she had to act, no matter how small the first step. Her journey was about to begin, and she was ready to fight for her future. The next morning, Anna woke up with her father's words echoing in her mind. She had an idea. People in her town loved unique clothes, but they had to travel far to buy them. What if she sold handmade clothes at the local market? It was a perfect plan, but there was a problem. She had no money to buy fabric. Anna didn't let that stop her. She walked miles to meet Mrs. Lin, the town's fabric supplier. With a steady voice, she said, "Mrs. Lin, I want to sell clothes, but I can't pay for fabric now. Give me 1 week, I'll sell my designs, pay you back, and keep a small profit." Mrs. Lin frowned, unsure. "Why should I trust you?" she asked. Anna replied, "Because I'll work harder than anyone to prove myself." After a long pause, Mrs. Lin agreed. The next day, Anna sewed late into the night, creating simple dresses. At the market, she set up a small stall, smiled at every passerby, and offered free try-ons. People were curious. By evening, she sold every piece, paid Mrs. Lin back, and held her first bit of profit. It was small, but to Anna, it felt like the start of something big. Anna's small success lit a fire in her heart. She spent weeks learning from her mother and a skilled seamstress in town, practicing stitches until her fingers ached. She added new designs, colorful dresses, and stylish shirts, making it brighter with handmade signs. Her customers loved her passion, and sales grew steadily. But then a challenge arrived. A fancy clothing store opened in town, owned by Lisa, a young woman with sleek displays and expensive fabrics. People flocked to her shop, and Anna's sales dropped. Fear crept in. Could she lose everything? Instead of giving up, Anna asked her customers what they liked about Lisa's store. They mentioned the clean look and unique designs. Anna took notes and got to work. She saved money to paint her stall, added vibrant decorations, and offered custom-made clothes tailored to each customer's taste. She even watched sewing tutorials at the library to learn new patterns. Slowly, her customers returned, praising her personal touch and affordable prices. Anna realized that competition wasn't the end. It was a chance to grow stronger and smarter. Just as Anna's stall was thriving, disaster struck. One stormy night, fierce winds tore through the town, and her market stall collapsed, ruining her fabrics and tools. The next morning, Anna stood before the wreckage, her heart sinking. For a moment, she thought about quitting. Maybe her dream was too big. But her father's words rang in her ears. Dreams aren't free. She refused to give up. Anna shared her story with the townspeople, asking for advice. To her surprise, they rallied around her. Neighbors donated spare fabric, a local carpenter helped rebuild her stall, and some customers even bought clothes in advance to support her. Anna worked tirelessly, sewing with whatever she had left, sometimes late into the night by candlelight. Her brother, Tom, helped fold clothes, and her mother brought her tea to keep her going. Slowly, Anna rebuilt her stall, adding new designs like scarves and hats. When she reopened, the crowd was bigger than ever, drawn by her courage and determination. Anna learned a powerful lesson. When you work hard and stay true to your dream, people notice and want to help you succeed. She saved enough to rent a small shop, painting it with bright colors and naming it Anna's Fashion Corner. It wasn't as grand as Lisa's store, but it felt warm and welcoming. Every morning, Anna opened her shop with a smile, offering new designs like custom jackets and skirts. Her family joined in. Anna greeted customers with his cheerful grin, and her mother helped manage the money. The town loved Anna's shop, calling it the heart of the community. People from nearby towns visited, inspired by her story. Anna stood before her shop one day and shared her lessons. Dreams demand hard work and sacrifice. Failure is just a step to growth. When you try your best, others will support you. And never give up, because success is close when you keep going. For you, learning English is like Anna's journey. Practice every day, stay determined, and you'll succeed. Keep watching Learn English Through videos for more stories like this. Share your dreams in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to join our journey.